Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. I'll be showing you how I make my shea butter body sticks, so let's jump right in. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, my name is Esther, and on this channel I make DIY hair and skincare videos. If you do not want to use candelilla wax, you can substitute and use beeswax. If you are enjoying this video so far and you haven't yet subscribed, please go on and hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notifications bell so that way you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much. I hope you're finding this video helpful and useful so far, and I really hope you go on and try out this recipe. It's pretty versatile. You can switch up the butters, you can switch up the oils to really make it your own. So this is what the shea butter body stick looks like. It came out pretty well. It felt very moisturizing to touch. It did feel very firm, and that's because of the candelilla wax. So for this recipe I would say use half of the wax. If you want more of a greasy, oilier feel, definitely use less wax. But it did feel good on the skin, just very solid and firm. So use half, and other than that, I liked the feel of it on my skin. It did feel moisturizing. So go on and try the recipe out. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how yours came out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I love to hear from you guys, or you can send me an email. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also comment, like, and share this video because that helps me out a lot. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, be well and take care. Bye bye.